So this is the experiment that I used to demonstrate Fleming's left-hand rule at first. We've got a simple setup whereby a wire, an aluminium foil wire, moves up or down because it's got a current passing through it, which makes it temporarily magnetic. And when we put that in a magnetic field, we see it moving up and down. But the question, we ask ourselves is, wouldn't it be lovely if we could see that happening on a regular basis? So let's do that. Let's change this a little bit, and instead of having it as a power supply, which is direct current, let's have it with alternating current. But I want to be able to alternate it so it's not just 50 times a second. I want to be able to make it more than that. So hang on a minute. So this is what I'm going to use instead. This is a powered signal generator. Now what does that mean? That means it does two separate jobs. This side is a signal generator, and I can control it. So if I want it to be about 1 Hertz, that's 1 oscillation per second. That's exactly what I'll do. I'll put it on 1 times 1. I'll go for a sine wave there, and I'll tell it to take the signal from the internal, which is this bit. So the signal generator is being used. I'm going to ignore all of that. This is an amplifier. All it does is it makes the signal bigger. So this would only create a small one that might not have enough currents to cause this to move up and down, but this amplifier built in should be able to do that. So if I flick that on and I turn it up, we see it oscillating 1 time per second.